Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to change your name in Super VR Adventure. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you tap on Super VR Adventure. Tap on this. Next, tap on setting. Scroll down little bit. Okay, now go to your home screen. Now go to your play games apps. Next, tap on profile. Next, tap on this. Change your name. Tap on save. Now go back. Restart Super VR Adventure. Your new nickname will show up. Thank you. The name change might take a few minutes to update in the game.